Hey sleepyheads, welcome to the spring edition of Sleepy News. In this video, I'll talk about our product line and new firmware, discuss my combined video pack and tutorial release, highlight a user's awesome projection mapping project, and finally, at the end, I'll cover some general AV news in the industry. But first, let's have a Hypno stock update. As of this video, we have everything in stock. This includes both the original Hypno and Hypno Kits, but they're only available in limited quantities, so order fast before they all run out. We even have Hypno t-shirts in stock so you could look just like me. Don't you want to look like me? If you're having trouble finding a Raspberry Pi to build your Hypno Kit, check out rpilocator.com. They keep track of global Raspberry Pi stock, and they update it multiple times a day. It's the easiest way to find a Pi during this ongoing supply shortage. Speaking of the supply shortage, we recognize that the recent introduction of the Hypno Kit makes our product line a bit more complex. We created the Hypno Kit to retain Hypno availability at a time when parts are nearly impossible to obtain in bulk. We'll continue to do whatever we can to keep Hypnos available, and we appreciate your patience with this new product scheme. If you have a Pi or you're able to get one, please consider purchasing the kit over the original Hypno. It'll really help us out. Firmware 2.2.3 is now available for all Hypnos. It includes advanced new shape controls, fast video and image switching for video and image files loaded on an attached USB drive, folder organization and navigation for those videos and images, the ability to switch between those videos and images, and a connected UVC camera or capture card, and much more. Check it out at the link in the description below. Last month, I released a new, special edition Sleepy tutorial titled Capturing the Beauty of Winter with Hypno. In this new tutorial, I walk through a wintry woodland, collect videos, and then I process all those videos through the Hypno. I also organized all the videos I collected and turned them into a video pack titled Winter Walk, available on the Sleepy site. Check out the tutorial and this new video pack at the links in the description below. That is, if you have already started missing winter. A few months ago, Steve C. Wallace, aka SCW Films, posted this amazing Hypno projection mapping project to our forum. Make sure to follow SCW Films on Instagram and Twitter for more great content like this, and post your own Hypno visuals on the Sleepy forum for a chance to be featured in our next newsletter. Hydra is a browser-based, codable video synth. Even if you know nothing at all about JavaScript, you could still have hours of fun by simply editing the values and pressing the play button in the upper right corner to see your changes. There are also some great randomization functions in the upper right corner that are both entertaining and educational. I like to click these randomization buttons to be introduced to different code blocks and see what they do. Check Hydra out at the link in the description below. Relativity is an open source VR headset that you can make from the comfort of your own home for less than $200. Keep in mind though, this isn't a simple toolless assembly like the Hypno Kit. Building a Relativity headset requires a soldering iron, a 3D printer, and a good knowledge of electronic component sourcing. Even still, it's nice to see more independent VR options, especially if you're like me and you tend to stay away from Facebook and Meta like they're the plague. Is VR video synthesis in your future, or are you still happy using old CRTs? Let us know in the comments below. Radiator is a hardware synthesizer made specifically for creating visuals with lasers. Even better, it can sync those visuals to MIDI or CV. It connects to a standard ILDA laser projector to create visuals reminiscent of a Pink Floyd concert. If you don't have a laser projector, Radiator also outputs rendered HD visuals via HDMI. It seems like an amazing project. Are you tempted to synthesize visuals with lasers? Is that the natural next step for people like us? That's it for this edition of Sleepy Snooze. Make sure to check out the links in the description below for more info about the Hypno, the new firmware, the Winter Walk video pack, the new special edition tutorial, and more. Like, subscribe, get involved on our forum, and most importantly, get some sleep.